All right, good morning, everybody. So, right now, I just got a little plain bait hook, and I'm just using an itty bitty night crawler because the fish are more finicky around fall. With that being said, the fall is a great time to get out because the fish are feeding, but you just need to choke up your baits a little bit, and just like that, plain and simple. I'm doing a wait list just for the area because it's so rocky. I don't want to get snug up from the bottom. And let's give it a whirl and see what we can catch out here. I like to point the rod tip down and watch that line dart off. See, it's starting to go. Something's playing with it. I tend to reel up some slack when the line starts to get a little taut. That way you have a good hook set on that fish. See right now, it's going. Missed them, folks. It's all right. We'll get them. Give it some time. There's a log submerged under the water right in front of me here. And that's where these fish are congregating at. They're out there. Believe me when I say that. Yesterday, I hooked up to a nice bass, caught him, same spot. Of course, I couldn't get my video to work, so I only have pictures to show you on that one, folks. Sorry about that. This is what you would call a perfect day for fishing. Cloud cover. A couple fish were jumping way out yonder. I'm hoping to have a boat in the near future so I can get out on the lakes and local ponds and hopefully just have a different way of fishing instead of bank fishing. But it works for now. I do have a kayak. There's a fish, folks. Nice one too. I think we got a little sunny. Yep. More like a nice, decent sunny. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let me get the hook out. Come on, buddy. Beautiful little guy. Let's let him go. There he goes. Folks, I'll tell you something. Those panfish that size, they're fun fighters there. You wouldn't think such a small fish would be such powerful, but they are. Let me tell you, they are. Got another one, folks. Little bass. Yep, we got a little bass now. Little largemouth. Little guy. I mean, little itty bitty guys. Little itty bitty. Little itty bitty. We're gonna let him go. Let him grow. Now, folks, I will do catch and cooks here on this channel, especially for fall trout season. They stock in my area next week, so stay tuned to see videos of me trout fishing. I always usually keep my daily limit, which is 3 for the fall, and then 5 for the spring for where I'm located. We're gonna put another night crawler on there. This one's just a little torn up after this couple of fish. Just add out to the butterball. It's funny, the wife always says nobody likes a dirty worm, and well, until I met her, I didn't really care about my worm being dirty, but she cracked me up, and sure enough, I believe her now. It is funny. I love that woman. She's just a wonderful person. She loves getting out here with me, enjoys the time and the scenery with me, and never complains about going fishing with me. So God bless her. Dud cast that time. Let's get back out there for another. Right where I like to be out there. Like I said, folks, the setup I'm using today is a Shakespeare light action rod with my Pflueger Presidential reel and 6-pound trilene with a weightless sinking night crawler. What I mean by that is, so when the night crawler with the weight, with the little split shot, what it'll do is it'll drop down immediately. And what I find in the fall for our area is that when the night crawler sinks slowly, it gives those fish an opportunity to attack it and eat it, because when it just sinks to the bottom in the colder weather, they're not, they're not going to dive down as fast as they would as to the more productive when they're coming out of the winter and they're starving. It just makes sense, and it's where it works for me. And folks, like I said, what works for me may not work for you. But that's an important thing I want to announce on this channel is the advice I give you, it may not work for you, and some others it may work and it may not work for you. But I'm always going to give my advice, and if you guys give it a try, I would love that. But if not, it's quite okay. Because different parts of the world have different species of fish, and there's freshwater and saltwater. Speaking of that, I probably won't do much saltwater on this channel. It's mostly going to be freshwater, lakes, ponds, and streams. So I'm excited to get this channel up and going, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos I post. And hopefully we can catch some more fish today for you all. Trying here. I might have to get up and move because I don't necessarily know if this is, I might have to go try a point or something where there's a ledge where the fish might be hanging out on. This is more like a gradual flat, and then it slopes down. comes back up. So oh, got it. All right, folks, stay tuned and see what we can catch moving forward.